Good morning, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, Republic Day is arriving on 26th January. You all know due to this pandemic, we all are staying at our home. So, what are your plans for this Republic Day? How are you celebrating this Republic Day? Watching the parade or watching some patriotic movie at your home? What are your plans? So, you all know that we all celebrate Republic Day on 26th of January. As you all know, this day our Constitution of India came into effect. So this year we are celebrating our 72nd Republic Day. So I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Now we will move to our studies, and now we are going to continue our chapter number 7, that is fraction. So let's start now.
Hello kids. So in our today's class, we are going to continue our chapter number 7, that is fraction. And in our previous class, I told you how you convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. In our today's class, we will learn how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, just opposite of our previous class. Okay. So firstly, you have to mention today's date, that is 25th of January 2021. Then you will write chapter number 7, fraction, and then you will write classwork. Okay, then you have to write the heading, conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. And I told you how will you convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. By division you will solve these type of questions. Now this is just opposite of mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then how will you do that? It is very simple, children. So let's watch. Now kids, you can see I have written one mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? Combination of whole and proper fraction. So I have written one mixed fraction here, that is 2 whole 1 upon 3. Okay, so what you have to do kids? Yes, firstly you have to multiply this denominator by whole. Firstly what you will do, you will multiply this denominator by the whole number. You will multiply, then 3 2s are 6. Then whatever answer you will get, you have to add numerator with it. What you have to do, you have to add. Firstly you will multiply denominator by whole, 3 2s are 6. Then you will add the numerator, 6 plus 1 7. Okay, so numerator will be 7 upon the denominator will be same, means 3 2s are 6 and 6 plus 1 7 upon 3. Okay, this is the method by which you can convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Take one more example kids. I am taking one more example, that is B, like 5 whole 2 upon 3. Okay, now you have to convert this into improper fraction. So how will you do that? Yes, what you have to do firstly kids, firstly you will multiply 3 5s are 15. Firstly you will multiply denominator by the whole, means 3 5s are 15. Then you will add the numerator, 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 2 is 17. Okay, so what you will write, 17 upon 3. I am again repeating, firstly you have to multiply denominator by whole, means 3 5s are 15. Then you will add the numerator, 15 plus 2 is 17. So 17 upon the denominator will be same, 17 upon 3. So take one more example kids here. I am taking one more example, that is 7 whole 1 upon 2. Okay. So what will you do kids now? Now you will do 2 sevens are what? 2 sevens are 14 and 14 plus 1 is what? 15. Again what you have to do? You have to multiply denominator by the whole. Means 2 sevens are 14 and 14 plus 1 is 15. So it will become 15 upon 2. So like this we are converting mixed fraction into improper fraction. Here I am taking one more example, that is 8 whole 4 upon 5. Okay, You can see this is whole number and this is proper fraction. In proper fraction, you all know numerator is always less than the denominator. Okay, so what I am doing, firstly you have to multiply this denominator by the whole, means 5 8s are 40. Then you will add 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 4 is 44. Okay, 44 upon 5. Okay kids, so these are some example by which you can convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Here I am taking more examples, like I am writing here 3 whole 3 upon 4. So what you have to do, firstly you will multiply 4 3s are 12, then you will add 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3 is what, 15. Okay, so it will become 15 upon 4. Okay, so the next one and last one example that we are taking, that is like 7 whole 2 upon 5. Okay, so firstly what you have to do, you will multiply 5 7s are 35, then you will add 35 plus 2 is 37. Okay, so 37 upon 5. This is the answer of this question. So these are some examples by which you can understand that how will you convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now we will do some questions from our book to make it clear. Okay, so let's move to our book now and we will do our exercise 7.3. So here is our exercise 7.3 and you can read the first question, that is, read this question carefully kids. Write the mixed and the improper fraction represented by the sets of pictures. One is done for you. You can see some pictures here kids. Yes, you have to find out the mixed fraction by this picture and then you have to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, which we have already learned. How will we do that? So how will you write the mixed fraction from this picture? Firstly you have to understand this thing. Okay, so you can see here this one is a circle, this one is a circle and this one is a circle. These circles are divided into 6 equal parts and that all are the fully colored. That 3 circles are the fully colored, means these 3 are the whole. The one which will be fully colored, that is our whole part. Okay, so how many circles are fully colored here? 1 2 3. 3 circles are here that are fully covered, that means our whole part will be 3. You can see here. Now the fourth one circle, you can see the fourth one circle, how many parts are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 parts and out of which 5 parts are shaded. Okay, there are 6 parts and out of which the 5 parts are shaded. So that's why they have written 3 whole 5 upon 6. 3 whole means 3 whole 3 are fully colored, that's why we have written 3 whole, and then in fourth one out of 6 5 are colored, so that's why we have written 5 upon 6. Okay, this is the method by which you will understand that how to write the mixed fraction with these pictures. Now you will understand how will you convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, that we have already learned. That how will you do that? Yes, 6 3s are 18 and 18 plus 5 is 23. Okay, so 23 upon 6. This is the method. Okay, now we will do next question, that is our part B. Okay, in part B you can see these pictures. There are 2 pictures. You can see the one first picture is fully colored, means only one picture is fully colored, so that's why our mixed whole part will be 1. Okay, in the second part you can see how many parts are here? 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 parts and out of these 5 parts how many parts are shaded? You can see here it's 1 2 3. How many parts are shaded here? 3 parts are shaded. That's why 3 parts are shaded out of 5 parts. It means our mixed fraction will be 1 whole 3 upon 5. Okay kids, now improper fraction, how will you convert it into improper fraction? So firstly you will multiply 5 ones are 5, then you will add 5 plus 3 8, so 8 upon 5. Okay, you have to write 8 upon 5. Now we will move to our part C. You can see here you can see these three figures. Out of these three figures, you can see the first two figures are fully colored. Means our whole part will be what? Our whole part will be 2. Okay. Then you can see in the third one, how many parts are here in the circle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 parts in the circle, and out of which 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are colored. Means 2 whole, 4 parts are colored out of 6, means 4 upon 6. So 2 whole, 4 upon 6. Now you have to convert into improper fraction. So 6 twos are 12, and 12 plus 4 is what? 16. 12 plus 4 is 16. So you will write 16 upon 6. Okay, 6 twos are 12. First you will multiply, then you will add. 6 twos are 12, 12 plus 4, 16. Okay. Now the next one is, you can see these figures. There are 2 figures, and out of these 2 figures, one figure is fully colored. That means our whole part will be 1. Then you can see in the second figure there are 2 parts, and out of these 2 parts only one part is shaded here. Then 1 whole, 1 upon 2, because out of 2 only one part is shaded here. Now you have to convert it into improper fraction. How will you do that? Yes, 2 ones are 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So that will become 3 upon 2. Okay. Now that is our question number 2. This you have to do by your own, by just like as we have done question number 1. Okay, you have to do this by your own in your book only. So identify and write the mixed fraction and the improper fraction represented by the sets of figures. One is done for you. You can see these figures, kids. These A part is already done here. You have to do just B, C and D in your book. Okay, so best of luck. Watch the video carefully and then solve these questions. Okay, thank you.